Suzuki Motor of America announced it will bring the new GSX250R sport bike to the US as a 2018 model. First introduced in China last month before again appearing at EICMA, the Suzuki GSX250R will arrive in showrooms in April 2017. While we were hoping the Mini GSR would get upsized to a 300 for Western markets, North America and Europe will get the same 248 cubic centimeters parallel twin as the one sold in Asian markets. This puts the GSX250R at a disadvantage against the likes of the KTM RC390, Yamaha R3, and the Honda CBR300R. Suzuki hasn't announced pricing yet, but it will have to be much lower than the MSRPs on these competitors to gain a substantial share of the small displacement sport bike market. The Powerplant is based on the one used on the Suzuki GW250, only refined for low to mid-range torque. The camshaft profiles were designed to optimize performance at speeds between 15 to 55 miles per hour. New intake valves have a slimmer stem profile near the heads to improve airflow into the combustion chamber, while new rocker arms reduce mechanical losses from manipulating the valves. Further frictional losses were reduced by using a new oil pump design and using reshaped low-tension piston rings. Though it maintains the GSX name, with the R tucked away at the end, Suzuki Motor of America sees the GSX250R as a modern interpretation of the Katana spirit, offering a more practical ride rather than a high-performance supersport. Perhaps to further distance the GSX250R from the sportier GSRs, Suzuki Motor of America opted against offering the Motob-inspired Triton Blue livery available in other markets. The fairing takes its cues from several current and historic Suzuki sport bikes. The gaps in the bodywork are designed to draw cooling air toward the radiator while blowing hot air away from the rider. The headlight retains the familiar GSX-R shape with a halogen bulb bookended by a pair of LED position lights. LEDs also illuminate the taillight. The chassis consists of a semi-double cradle frame with a telescopic fork and 7-way preload adjustable rear shock handles suspension duties. The 10-spoke 17-inch aluminum wheels come equipped with IRC tubeless tires. Nissin supplies the 2-piston front brake caliper and the single-piston rear caliper. ABS is absent. Clip-on handlebars afford a sporty riding posture, but the overall ergonomics are designed for comfort. The seat is 31.1 inches off the ground with a separate rear seat giving passengers a higher vantage point. The GSX250R uses a reverse-lit multifunction LCD display with bar graph touch and gear position indicator. Other features include a 392 claimed curb mass and 4.0-gallon fuel tank. American consumers get a choice of Pearl Nebular Black or Pearl Glacier White No. 2. Color schemes.